got Bernie, MVP crew rolling down.
/ Uber / Lyft, 5-star ratings. Check it out. So Troy Lee, they just did a rebranding. It's called CL Yachts. It's all new. This is the new 72. We shot the 76 about a year ago. We got a 2-day shoot. We shot it with Jim Raycroft, one of the top international yacht photographers in the world. It's gonna be great. We're providing all video, drone, aerial support. This is gonna be hot. You don't want to miss it here. Bonotopia.
All right, we have just arrived at Faro Blanco Marina, checked into the hotel, gonna get started. Nice day, slightly windy, but it's blue skies, couldn't ask for anything better. About to get out on the water. This is Bonotopia in the making.
No matter where we are, working, getting it done.
In circles and circles with the chase boat. Bernie's getting seasick already. Stuff is falling over. We have just completed follow boat shots, drone shots, all the exteriors, interiors during the day. We're gonna be heading back to the marina right now, and that'd be a wrap for today. Tomorrow we got the models coming. We're gonna do more close-ups, lifestyle type video shots, and I will see you then. We are here on a reconnaissance mission beyond the furthest reaches of the Keys. It has doo-doo in it.
Really?
We're just lounging here, alternating between photography and video takes. Little drone here and there, making business calls over there, closing deals. Bernie's getting ready to go in the water. His last request is for a life preserver. He was last seen jumping into the water off the coast of Marathon Key.
Certified, ready to go now?
Wrapping up day 2, Troy Lee shoot. We got an early sunrise tomorrow, some drone stuff. We actually have a helicopter coming in most likely, and that'll be a wrap, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's 6 a.m. over here, Faro Blanco, last day of the shoot. You know, bright and early to get that key drone sunrise. Going into the mist where the sky blends into the sea. All right, drone flight completed. Awaiting the chopper on the horizon. After some wild chopper flying action, we're headed back to the marina, wrapping up this shoot, and that'll be it. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.